Kasama ko na. O, sige.
You gonna be?
Una, swim? Dapat dalawa kayo.
Yay! Yay! Careful ah.
Medyo slip talaga. Tabihan mo bago.
Yay!
You're swimming, baby!
Yay!
That's okay.
Yucky dirt!
No, that's okay na.
No, there!
Yes nga, that's really like that na. Why you did not clean properly?
What? Nice? Nice? Yay! Nice? How wanna wash your face? Nanginginig ka naman eh.
No, don't splash on his face. Let him do it by himself.
Hi! On his back, get the rubber ducky, baby, please. Yes.
Ahit mo yung brief.
You have the rubber ducky?
Rubber ducky. Iuwi ka doon para pumunta doon sa may araw.
Sit down, Mama. Nice, no?
Ang tapang!
Taba. Floated, baby, ah. Quack, quack. Throw it. Kyra? I'm just trying to speak it. Kyra, di ba you have like that? Lino kaya? Kay Lino kaya? I don't know. I don't know. I want to try to do. Let them play with it. Yay! Come on.
You dress up na for swimming, you're not fit ba?
I want. You like taking a bath? But it's a bigger tub. You're not gonna swim? So that's a cherry.
It's very hot already.